I mean, I knew they were gonna be great, but holy shit.
A good smile is freedom in life. The freedom to be you and to be happy and confident. You know, a lot of people are imprisoned by their smile and the lack of confidence that creates for them, and how they're always holding back and kind of hiding, as opposed to being more outgoing and having more opportunities because of the enthusiasm and confidence that that smile brings to them. To stop thinking, to stop hiding, to have that positive mindset that you can do anything, but to have that confidence to keep going and not be hindered.
I just got veneers done with Dr. Snyder, and the process was so amazing.
I have a new smile again. I have my smile back. It's changed my life completely. Forever, ever grateful.
I'm able to lead with my smile, and I'm able to come into a room and exude that confidence that I've always wanted to.
I've seen it over and over again in my patients, that when we change their smile, they have this newfound confidence that they never knew existed, and they had no idea how great they would feel. And they show up differently. They show up differently in work, at home, in relationships. It's amazing the encounters they have when they're more confident, and the more opportunities that occur in their life because of it.
It's changed my reality, it's changed my life, it's changed my marriage, it's changed the way I operate as a speaker, as a businessman, it's changed the way the world around me exists.
Anything I can do to make someone's life better makes me more fulfilled to help people feel good about themselves.
For me, it was an investment in myself. I was so nervous and so scared, and he made me feel so comfortable. He's like, Danielle, we're not even gonna have to shave down that much of your natural teeth. You're gonna love these. When I first got them, I loved it. I felt like I got something I didn't even know I was missing. I immediately felt like I had this beautiful celebrity smile that never once has somebody asked me, hey, do you have veneers? It's always, you have a beautiful smile. They just look like perfectly natural, beautiful teeth.
My friend, he said, like, what happened to you? You look so happy and beautiful, and look at you, that smile.
The level of personal care from the moment he met me was just unbelievable. He really educated me.
Comprehensive cosmetic dentistry is not taught in dental school. So literally dentists are practicing on their own, and the population, the people at large, well, they're the guinea pigs. And so you can imagine how much damage and destruction is going on out there while dentists are playing and trying different things. And they're watching social media or YouTube channels or reading an article and then trying to do something on their own with no one looking over their shoulder trying to get them to do things a certain way or be the best they can be. To push myself to a level that most people would never go is why I went after my accreditation and fellowship in the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry. At any given time, there's over 200,000 dentists in the United States, and only 89 of them are committed enough to actually go after this accolade and to raise their skill set to such a high level to achieve this degree. You know, I really wanted to achieve the fellowship just to better myself, to create the next level. I was already good at what I did, but I wanted to take good and make it great. And so to push myself to do all of those cases and to see things differently, to blow up images of teeth, you know, onto giant big screens and look for tiny little flaws and imperfections that I could modify in my technique next time, makes you grow and pushes you to elevate. Well, I'm a perfectionist by nature, and I like to do things to the nth degree. I don't want to live with some kind of constraint that binds me in what I can provide as far as the care and quality of service. I don't cut costs, I don't cut corners, and that's what insurance companies often do. So having these limitations on me is why I decided to quit working in someone else's office that was insurance driven and open my own office so I could spend more time with people, treat them like my own family members, use high quality materials and products, hire an incredible artist, a ceramist, to build my final restorations, my veneers and crowns, so that I could provide the best level of care possible and have the best longevity and best appearance for my patients.
I'm a dental hygienist. I've been practicing for just over 23 years, and I've known of Dr. Snyder for many, many years. His credibility in our industry is very widely known. He's been lecturing and training internationally for many, many years.
Everyone has a different kind of mentality of what a beautiful, pleasing smile is. And so our job is to figure that out. And the only way to figure that out is to spend some time with you, interacting and asking questions and showing you examples of work so that you can see things and say, hey, I like this tooth, or I like that smile. This is what I love to do. And so working with the right people, you know, to create that success is figuring out what they want and interacting with them. I mean, you become part of the family that we are literally working together to create the best possible situation. Versus in many offices, it's kind of cold and sterile and they just do their thing and you're out the door. Getting a better understanding of who you are and what we can achieve together is really what sets us apart from the rest.
It's made such a huge impact on my life and me feeling confident and feeling more certain and wanting to smile more. Todd's your guy. You definitely need to go check him out. He is so detailed and I just felt very comfortable working with him. So your smile is something that you wear every day, and it's just something that you must invest in order to feel that certainty and feel that confidence that you're looking for.
So I offer complimentary consultations because of the sole purpose. I don't want to see someone have something bad happen. I would say 60% of my dentistry is replacing or redoing work that was already done that was inferior or not to the desire and appearance that the patient wants. And so it's for that reason I created an ebook also that you can download that offers many of the questions you should be asking of the dentist before you ever have treatment performed, so that you have a good understanding of their knowledge and skill set and can they deliver the caliber of work that you're wanting to have. My whole goal is to help you have the best smile possible, to avoid problems, to avoid frustrations, to avoid pain, to avoid conflict. To give you the best possible smile, you should download this ebook to have the questions that you need to be asking so you can get the best possible result.
My invitation to you is to follow the instructions on this page and move yourself forward into a consultation with Dr. Snyder, just like I did. You might find it's one of the greatest decisions you're going to make for your life.